What's up, everybody? I am back here, and today I'm going to be working on the car. I started sanding this coat of, so I started sanding this primer down and getting it all ready. I identified a couple low spots. There's one there, and there's another one over there that I circled. So I have to get these all fixed up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix a little bit of mud, and then I'm going to be slapping it on. Okay, so I got these filled. There's actually 3 spots. There's one there, one here, and then a little bit down there. So, and you know what? Actually, I forgot one. So I'm gonna have to get that too. So let me get those filled in, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I thought I'd spare you from the boring details of me sanding this down some more, but we got this really good, perfectly smooth. Same with over here. That little low spot is filled in. I might need to hit that a little bit more with some sandpaper. And then down here, it's looking really well as well. So this is perfectly smooth, no issues, and it's good to go. So that's kind of where we're at. I did add some more filler over here on the door. There's a couple little pinholes that I just wanted to kind of fill in. A little low spot right there. A little bit right there. So after I get that filled in, I'm going to go ahead and sand it down. Then I'm going to rough up this spot here. I had the striker on. Stupid me when I painted this, which I wasn't even thinking. So I got to get that off. Just right around here all cleaned up. So I'll hit that with some sandpaper as well. And then, yeah, then we're going to go ahead and hit it all with some primer. And then start getting her cleaned up and ready to go. And look at my helper here. She came again. This is how she helps Lucy. Lucy, you see that tail? She dusts the car off for me, just like that. So that's how my helpers help me. All right, let's get busy.
Second toe.
Alrighty, so here is the car. It's actually looking really good. I'm pretty excited about how this turned out. So what I did is I didn't go super heavy on the primer like I was, because A, I was just putting too much on there, and B, it was just too thick. But yeah, this is where we're at. No runs, no bleed on great. It's flat. You will see spots where it's shining through. That's just because the mud or the body filler that's on the car is actually soaking up the paint, so it makes it a different color. But here is the repair area now after primer. It's looking pretty good. So like that portion, it's dry. The rest of it's not. Plus it's just, you know, it's gonna be discolored because, like I said, the body filler, but it's looking pretty good. I do have some work to do in here. I gotta touch this up a little bit. Yeah, it's just a filler, it didn't get sanded enough. And then this right here, yeah, there's a little spot right there. I know that, but the vent cover that goes on this will cover that. So I just gotta sand that down as well. But man, I'm looking pretty happy on this. These body lines are super smooth, super flat. I don't see any waviness or anything on it, which is good. And then when we come down here and look down this body line, look at that. It's flat. It's not like all wavy and gross. But then again, I guess it is mostly just metal, but it still looks good. And then this body line also is flat. It's not wavy. So that's looking good. And then my brother, when he did everything, he got this contour looking really good, really nice. It's flowing just like it should. Yeah, that's where we're at. Well, everybody, like I said, these are going to be actually shorter videos. So this was just 1 day's worth of work. Yeah, with covering and everything, maybe 2-3 hours. Just not a lot of time. Well, I guess it is a lot of time, but not as much as I have been putting in on these videos. But I figure I could probably put out some better quality content versus and doing shorter videos, so I can have a bunch stored up, and then I'll just release them like I usually do on Saturday or Sunday. So, but again, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you could hit that subscribe button, thumbs up is always great. Comments are great. Keep them coming. Appreciate it. You guys have a great day. I need to stop moving in these because I get the glare from the lights on everything. But yeah, y'all have a good day and keep safe and peace.